When we talk about Kanpur, all it comes to our mind is an industrial hub, because of which the city was once given the name as the Manchester of Asia. As per our Purans, this vast city is also known as Choti Kashi. Since the Mahabharat era, there is a renowned Shiv temple called Baba Anandeshwar Temple, which gave the city its religious ride. Situated at the banks of the holy river Ganga, this temple is devoted to Lord Shiv. Built in the 18th century, this temple of Baba Anandeshwar worships the Shiv Lingam. An ancient story behind this temple is, it is believed that this place was a regular worship visit by Karan during the Mahabharat age. During his puja ceremony, a cow named Anandi once dropped her whole milk at a place. On the other hand, the cow's behavior was very strange with its owner. So the villagers gathered at that place and evacuated it. Then the villagers found that the Shiv Ling was there inside the land, which is still there in the temple. At that time, everyone thought to change the place of the Shiv Ling and place it somewhere else to build a temple. But they were not able to do the same. Finally, a proper established temple was made there itself on the name of the cow Anandi. Every year, thousands of devotees from all over the state as well as the country gather during the month of Shivratri as well as in the month of Sawan. Even every week starts with Monday when the devotees come to Anandeshwar temple and offer milk, curd, honey, Ganga Jal, Bel Patra, Sam Patra, Kamal, Kusha, etc. different types of flowers, leaves and offerings for Abhishek of Lord Shiv, and they pray for their well-being. The daily aartis are performed in 3 segments. From morning 5 am to 5:30 am, Mangal Aarti is done. Bhog Aarti is performed in the duration of 12 pm to 12:30 pm. Then another evening Bhog Aarti is done at 7:30 pm to 9 pm. And finally a Shayan Aarti at 11:30 pm.
जटाटवीगलज्जलप्रवाहपावितस्तरे घरेवलम्ब्य लम्बिताम्बुजङ्गमालिकां ढमड्ढमड्ढमड्ढमन्निनादमड्ढमर्वयं चकारचण्डताण्डवं तनोतु न शिव शिवम्.
The temple timings for the devotees are from 6 am to 9 pm. But during the Shravan month, the time changes, which is in the duration of August to September from morning 3 am to noon 12 pm. Visiting this temple can be a great day, as after your prayers you can enjoy a boat ride in the river Ganga and treat yourself with the beautiful views of sunrise, sunset and the city on the banks. A small market in the premise of the mandir offers you with all small eateries, worshipping items and other small temples too. So this was all about Baba Anandeshwar Parmat Dham in Kanpur, which is Choti Kashi. You can enjoy, you can worship, you can take your time and make the best out of your day. So if you are visiting Kanpur soon or planning any time, do visit Baba Anandeshwar temple and worship to God alongside by having a perfect view of sunrise, sunset, and the beautiful river Ganga. The nearest railway station to visit this temple will be the Kanpur Central Railway Station, and if you are planning to come by air, then the nearest airports are the Chakeri Airport Kanpur or Amosi, or as you know, it is also known as Chaudhary Charan Singh Airport from Lucknow. The best timings to visit this temple is obviously Monday, which is the day of Shiv, and if you want to come during the Shravan Mas, then you can visit between August to September. Now I will leave you here with the beautiful view of the city alongside the river banks of
जय गंगे माता, जो नर तुमको ध्याता, जो नर मैया जी को ध्याता, मन वांछित फल पाता। जय गंगे माता।
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Top Trending Tales by Urvashi.